which is basically just another way of saying an empty room. So we should get started. Start with the door. Before I became an extreme minimalist and just a sort of aesthetic minimalist, I had a hanging door stuff collection point. It was basically just a piece of fabric hanging off of my door, and it was just filled with junk. On the subject of my door, we may as well talk about the fact that I have an exercise bar. I never actually use it for pull-ups, I just like swinging around on it. And I've never thought to take it down because it doesn't take up much space. Around here is a window which has a lovely view of the fields. The window shelf is literally empty except for this little glass jar where I put my bus money. On to my wardrobe. You might be able to tell that one side of the wardrobe, which is this side, I'm trying to make more neutral colours. I've been trying to convert it for a while, but I've never actually thought of just throwing out all of my coloured clothes, because I do actually like wearing coloured clothes, and that's probably the reason why I'm wearing a red jacket right now. Hello! This wire wardrobe here is inspired by Jenny Mustard, and I love it because it means that my clothes become more of a decoration rather than something to just hide away and gather dust. My bags are here. I have a handbag, a small rucksack, a bigger rucksack which isn't in this room, and my school bag down there. You might notice that they are quite expensive brands, I believe quality, not quantity. And I'd rather buy second-hand good quality bags rather than loads and loads of brand new Primark or cheap high street fashion bags a million times over. Past my wardrobe, here is a huge empty space, and it's kind of like this on purpose because when I wake up I'll look at a lovely white wall, not a ton of clutter. For this special occasion, while I'm making a video, I have got this very cute cheese plant or fig plant. I'm not sure. It's not actually mine, I just took it from downstairs, and for Christmas I want to get a peace lily and I'm going to put it in this corner right there. This side of the room is my mattress and a drawer full of everything else that I own. If you follow me on Instagram and scroll all the way back to my second post, which actually isn't that long ago, I talk about swapping to a futon bed. Long story short, my mum wanted me to keep the mattress, so I did, but compromised that she would help me sort out my bed frame. First one here, I just have technology stuff. My friend gave me a straightening brush, and then I've got chargers, laptop, purse, and that's extra school stuff. This one, makeup in here, and then this one has sort of hair oils and perfumes, vitamin tablets, eyeshadow palette, my lovely Laveros moisturizer, sanitary stuff, a lint roller, and a hairbrush. Bank stuff, not exciting at all. And then this one is sentimental items. I tried so hard to get rid of sentimental items, and I got rid of a ton. I scanned some photographs onto my laptop. I have some teddy bears and a book, and then a little special box. Also, this is like a Japanese English book, and it's very sweet. This is a journal which I write in whenever I feel like it. Finally, at the bottom, this is super messy, I'm so sorry. I have trousers and jeans, pajamas, and underwear along here. This drawer is something which I just hate having. I have a huge pile, it's a massive pile of just GCSE books, an incredibly fluorescent art shirt, and some school uniform there. Sometimes when I'm studying, I use a diffuser. You might have heard that diffusers are super handy when you're trying to sleep. Definitely recommend checking out this company called doTERRA. If you're looking for essential oils, definitely check it out. A lot of my friends ask how many things I have in total, and to be honest, I don't actually know. I can tell you that it's somewhere between 100 to 150. It varies a lot because if I declutter a lot of makeup or clothes on one day, then it will go down, but then the next day I buy like a 10 pack of pens, then it would mean that I haven't lost or gained much of anything. So once again, as the video comes to an end, I would like to thank you for watching, and if you could like or visit my Instagram page at the Minimalist with underscores, that would be amazing. Thank you again for watching, and if you are a fan of decluttering or thinking about changing your diet, please subscribe, as that is where I'm at. See you soon, and sayonara!